Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Hyundai, please help me subscribe to the channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on the 2013 Hyundai Tucson here, 2.4. Current code is P2188, system 2 rich at idle bank 1. Now there's two things I will be replacing on the car. First thing I checked out is the air filter. To take out the air filter, you're gonna unhook these two clamps, lift it up, take out the filter. And I noticed somebody worked on this car before. They threw away the clamp, they put zip tie on it. They also put zip tie on the one on the throttle body too. And you can see the old filter is very dirty. It's like clogged with like leaves and dirty stuff inside. And then I'll be changing out the map sensor too. And this is the parts number for the map sensor. This is how it looks like right there. And the map sensor is located right here. You can see it's located right next to the throttle body. To take out the connector, you're gonna press on this tab, pull down, and then this is a 10 millimeter for the sensor. I use my flathead here, shove it into the gap right here, and then you can just pry out the sensor. Take that out. There you go. Here's my old one. That's the part number for the original part. The connector's the same thing. Make sure you put grease on the O-ring right here, so when you put it back, it just slides right in very easy. And then for the hole right there, make sure you use a towel, wipe down the surface. Already got the sensor in, so while you're here, check out the connector too. Make sure the wire is not ripped or broken. Make sure the pin in here is good, no damage, no corrosion. If it's good, just go ahead and plug it back. There you go, good. And then I'm gonna put in my new air filter. Looks pretty clean. Now I'm gonna key on, and then I'm gonna clear the light. I'm gonna show you the code again. There you go. And I'm gonna clear it. This one's pretty simple fix. That's it. Turn off the car, turn it back on. So that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you on the next video. Peace.